IZ300. IZ300 for motorcycles. IZ300 User Guideline. IZ300 is a thermal fogger loaded on the motorcycle. It can be both used as a smoke and spray epidemic preventer, according to the type of prevention. It is very useful as motorcycles demonstrate great mobility in narrow streets where cars cannot pass through. Especially, the spraying direction can be controlled. Thus, the prevention effectiveness is maximized. Load the IZ300 on a motorcycle using ropes. Attach the direction and emission control switch on the handlebar of the motorcycle. Fill in the gasoline about 80% of the tank capacity. Fill in the chemical tank about 80% of its capacity after mixing the chemical with water or gasoline in a proper dilution ratio. Press the ignition switch and it will start up. Careful with the knocking. If the air leaks out of the fuel and chemical tank lid, the machine will not work. Turn on the chemical spraying switch and shoot out. Adjust the direction with the control switch. The machine will turn off if you press the air pin button on the fuel tank when you finish spraying and turn off the switch so that the chemical does not flow out anymore. Eliminate the air pressure by opening the chemical tank cap after the machine is off.